owner of Take a Trip J.A., Monique Jones, and Arain Livingston, Chief Tour Operator, is here to share travel tips and the best Jamaican adventures to escape the stresses of life. Aren't we stressed out enough?
So stressed.
We're going to get rid of it. Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Well, Jamaica, it's morning time.
Thank you so much for having us.
Talk to me, where did Take a Trip come from?
Oh my God, we started in university. We were so stressed out from all the struggles. The studies, oh my gosh. So we used to go to different rivers. Up in Gordontown, we'd take a taxi or a bus and just go up there just to de-stress, you know. Wow. That's how it all started. Arain here told me that we could take buses to Portland. So we started to go to Portland and people were like, oh my God, take us.
Take bus to Portland?
No.
Okay.
I don't even know. Arain is from Portland.
I'm from Portland.
Yeah, man. So people saw it and they're like, oh my God, where's that? Take us, please. And I spoke to Arain and I'm like, you know that we should really turn this into a business. Nice. And I called him and I'm like, you know, take a trip.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So Arain, when we take a trip now, how do we decide where we're going? Or you recommend the level of stress? I got to tell me when I go, how it works?
Well, we usually try to find places that are not so popular, off the off-beaten path. People don't really know about these places. And we try to take you there. The thing about Take a Trip is it's more than just the adventures. It's a wellness thing also.
Okay.
Focus on your mental health. We try to do a lot of mental healthy meditations and so forth. But we try to choose places that are not very popular. So when people get there, they're like, oh wow, is this even Jamaica?
Okay.
Exactly.
So you prepare a whole experience if the person wants it to, or if I just want to go on one river, you just carry me. How does it work? How do I book it? How does it work?
So we have group trips every month and we also have a private tour. So Steven was just here on TV a while ago. We did a whole birthday trip for him and Imani. We took them to a hidden river, and whatever the occasion, birthdays, anniversaries, you can book it and we can tailor it specifically to anything. So
if I want to carry somebody, go and leave them.
So we tailor it specifically to our adventurers' needs.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And so I see you have a brochure here. So what do? I go up and I say, all right, I like rivers, so would you like climbing? So help me meet somewhere in the midpoint. That's how it works?
Pretty much. You can just tell us, okay, you're interested in a cultural or historical, or you just want to go to our waterfalls. Any experience that you're trying to have, we can really tailor that for you.
Yeah. So
we have a forum on our Instagram. You just click the link, you sign up, so we get a better idea of what it is that you want to experience, and I'll just curate that for you.
Arain, some of the trip them stressful though. Some want you to tell me, planning the trip
is stressful.
It's stressful. Depending on who you're going with,
it's
stressful. The road you might be driving on, stressful. So how does the trip take away the stress?
All right, so what we do is we try to have we do yoga, we do meditations, we have a healing circle, and we're cooking, we're dancing, we're playing games. We're doing everything till have you entertained and energized that when you even go back on the bus, you sleep, you don't remember say, you know, John Brown did that stress you or the work did that stress you.
It's a whole experience.
It's a whole experience.
Wow.
All day it's activity. You don't get a chance to sit down and be bored. Yeah. Right? You're doing something. You're always doing something. Most
important though, Arain, you know, my age group used to take trip. We used to trip. And when we go up on trip, we have to carry sandwich and fried chicken.
Hey, we
and
have
you provide
all of that. Everything.
We provide refreshments. We have your water to make sure you're hydrated. We have your juice, and don't tell nobody, but we have a little rum punch every now and then. You know, we have a little rum punch, you know, something we call a jungle juice over Take a Trip.
Yeah.
Take a Trip jungle juice. I mean, so.
All right, cool. So tell me, what are some of the really cool locations that we can go see?
Oh my.
Whoa, where to start?
Where to start?
Are you in most of the parishes?
Pretty much, yes, but our favorite parish is Portland. Oh my God, Portland.
I wonder why, Arain.
Of course.
I wonder why.
Because there's so much to do in Portland.
So
much to do in Portland.
Yeah.
So we do coffee tours up in the Blue Mountains. That one is perfect for relieving stress. So you go on a whole coffee farm, you get the farm to table experience, we cook for you. Then we take you to our waterfalls in the Blue Mountains.
Okay.
Another one would be rafting on the Rio Grande. Oh my God, that one is so serene. That's one of my favorites. And Blue Lagoon, but they're currently closed. But you know,
that was one.
Yeah,
of
man.
Them. No, Arain, please give me somewhere outside of Portland. You're too biased. Come now.
All right, actually, so Pelican Bar, one of my favorite places, because who doesn't want to get drunk?
St. Elizabeth.
It's St. Elizabeth. Who doesn't want to get drunk in the middle of the sea?
So I don't want to get drunk.
I absolutely love Pelican Bar.
Yes.
Blue Hole is one of my favorite places also. It's something you can challenge yourself to do because jump off that thing at Blue Hole, it's a challenge, and I love a challenge, and I always tell people accept a challenge.
I
Challenge
like
yourself
to
do something
encourage
different.
people to accept challenges.
Yeah, that's what we
Right,
do.
so me that cheer them, me now jump, but I say go.
Blue Hole is good. And one of my favorite places, which I recommend everyone should try, is Holywell National Park.
Holywell.
It's the National Park
Love
of Jamaica, and people only think Emancipation Park when we think about park. But Holywell National Park is a beautiful place.
It's very beautiful.
You're overlooking Kingston. The climate is right, and they opened a new bistro up there, so you
They
can get something to
did.
eat
Yeah.
also.
They used to have cabins up there.
They still
still
have
do?
cabins up there.
Like we used to hike and
man.
then come back down.
So they still have cabins up there, and it's just amazing to be up at Holywell.
Yeah,
Everything's
yeah.
nice up there. I think Holywell is one of the most perfect places.
It's lovely. It's absolutely beautiful. What's the feedback that you get from clients when they go on these experiences?
Oh my God, I feel so rejuvenated. I don't want to leave. Oh my God, when can we come back here?
Wow.
Trust me, they feel so relaxed, ready to take on the work week ahead. Their mind is clearer. Yeah, man. So that's really the feedback. They had so much fun. They go and they tell their friends, like, listen, you need to take a trip.
Yes.
And
The trips also serve as a melting pot for you to build your network skills because you're on a bus with people you don't know and you build your connections. So
People
like I
from
said,
all
it's
over
more
the
than
world.
just adventures.
No, 7 Mile Beach, Negril. You know that's where it's Negril?
yeah, man, we
Fun.
got far.
Kingston City tour. Yeah. I'll explore the capital. I'd like to do that Kingston City tour. So when I leave off here, so Portland. Jerk.
The jerk always included.
Can't go
man.
Portland and get the jerk. So it's capturing a lot of our culture and on who, because it's Take a Trip JA. It's not just about taking a trip in Jamaica, but also about our landscape, history, and culture. Yeah,
Definitely.
I love it. Where do we find you?
Oh, so you can follow us on Instagram and TikTok at TakeATripJA, and you can contact us at 868-4667.
Yeah, and what I like about it is that it's also for locals. You know, I know you cater to people who are coming from overseas and you pick them airport pickups and so on.
Yeah.
But you really, really allow people who are here in Jamaica to
Enjoy Jamaica.
enjoy. Do I have to be, and it doesn't matter how many of us, I just me and Clive, I say, come Clive, we're going to take a trip. And we're allowed, you do that.
Yeah, with the private tours. Yeah.
Clive, we're going to take a trip with Spanish Town, but we're going to leave. We're going to leave him. What, African bag?
No, we don't have to carry back. Oh, and Saturday we have a trip coming up. We
What?
only have
Where you
4
going?
seats left. We are going to Portland. It is a beautiful hidden river nestled in the Buff Bay Valley. And we're cooking on the river. And we're having river tubes, yoga, we're giving foot massages, everything. Like, it's going to be an amazing experience.
Most
and
importantly,
only 4
professional
seats left.
photos.
Professional photos.
You don't
know
want
that
to take a
content
trip and
creation.
people don't know, so you go. So the photos are there, games, giveaways, so much more. I love it, guys. I love it. Great concept. Glad you pursued it. Jamaican people, we stress out, you know?
Yeah.
Take a trip.
Take a trip. We really encourage you guys to go outdoors in nature.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for having us.
Why? We'll go with Spanish number. You got the thing for me? Bring it, come. So owners of Take a Trip J.A. Monique Jones and Chief Tour Operator, your Orion, job big Orion Livingston. Now, guys, there's a gentleman here. Every year when it's his birthday, him dodge way. Because him no want soldier bulgy. Because him no want nobody know say it's his birthday. He doesn't like to be on camera, so I sent Clive on a secret mission to capture him when he wasn't looking. This is the great Ferran. And he's celebrating his birthday today. Thank you, Clive. He's probably now looking at the TV and saying, what is this? Happy birthday, Ferran. You know we love you. Thank you, guys. News in 5 is next, guys. But still to come, oh my gosh, Outburst Comedy Series. Cedric the Entertainer is in the house. So go.